Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. If you are a returner, welcome back. Thanks for staying subscribed. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and put on that bell so you know when I make a new video. Alright, so let's get started.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Alright, so today's video. So a while back I had bought a matte lipstick, liquid lip, the liquid ones, yeah. I bought one of those from a company called Melabottino, which was by Focallure. And I didn't like it. I even made a video about how I didn't like it, which you can watch below. The link is below. But I saw this advertisement on Facebook because you know how when you're thinking about stuff or talking about stuff, they just have the ads out of nowhere. Because, they're stalking you, of course. And they were like, oh, you can get a free trial box. A babe box, which is like all those other makeup subscription boxes like Ipsy, SOS, Birchbox, and all those other things. It's pretty much the same thing. So I said, okay, you only have to pay for shipping. I was like, sure, why not? Let's try it. But in order to get the free trial one, you had to at least get the first box. So I was like, okay, whatever, sure, let's see. And I didn't like that they took so long to ship out, and they shipped out both at the same time, which I did not like. But the products they look pretty okay, I guess. So I just wanted to show you, this is the trial box. I think it's the trial box because the items are smaller than the one in the other box, which I will show you next week. So this is the box. I mean, it's nothing fancy. Nothing really. It says, hey babe, I'm finally home. Nothing fancy smancy. Alright, so first thing I'm going to show you is this is an eyeshadow palette that so everything is from their brand. Why am I pronouncing it wrong? Focallure. Everything's from their brand. So this is the eyeshadow palette that they gave me. I'm going to show you the colors. It's some pretty colors. I actually put two on, if you could see. One eye has the purple and one eye has the blue. I try to put enough of it so you could see it. But that's that. So that's the eyeshadow palette. This is the black mask, purifying peel off black mask. I know you can't really see it because it's black, but it's a deep cleansing black mask. It says deep cleansing peel off mask removes dulling surface cells and impurities, while vitamins and plant extracts soften the skin to restore a youthful glow. This I would probably give to my mother because she likes these masks. I don't really use like masks on my face because I'm scared to. So I wash my face like regular. I have like cleansing products that I use, but like I don't really wear masks. So I'll ask my mom how it is when she tries it, and I'll let you know. Alright, so this I believe is, if I'm not mistaken, is a lip balm. Trying to get it open. I hope it's a lip balm. It doesn't say. Like, it really does not say. It's called Dreamy. No, I'm lying. It is not called Dreamy. It's called Dine Me, I think. But yeah. I'm gonna say it's a lip gloss. Yeah, feels like a lip gloss. I mean like a lip balm. Lip gloss, lip balm. Right, so that's that. This is a velvet matte liquid lip. Like I said, everything is their brand, Focallure. Now, the last time I bought a liquid lip lipstick, I was not pleased. But let's see how this works. Not bad. Ah, sorry. It's like a pail, I guess. Something to wear to work. So this is also something that they gave. I have no idea what it is. I'm gonna be honest. I looked and I looked. I even tried to search online. I had no idea what these were. These just look like a bunch of tools. To be honest, they look like tools that the dentists use, or like what they use in the medical rooms, because these things are sharp. Like, I don't know, maybe you know what they are, but I have no idea. Wait, let me see if I can pull it off. You know what? Yeah, it's like really sharp. It's maybe they gave me some weapons. I don't know. They look like weapons to me or something, because I don't know what these are. I don't know what I would use them for. Like, to be honest. Maybe take them on my next disaster date. And that's a story for another day. Alright. So I'm going to put them back in here. Probably are going to go in here and stay in here because I have no idea what they are. If you know what they are, please let me know in the comments below if you have a guess to what they are. If you agree with me that I should take them on my next disaster date, let me know also. I'm kidding. I'm not going to take them on any date. That would be wrong. But you never know. Alright, so that is the trial box from Focallure. Next week I will show you my first big box that I got from them. It's not a big box, I'm lying. It's the same size. The stuff is just bigger. So I'll show you that next week. And thanks for watching.